This is the box as you received. Open your box and then take the cover off. The things listed you will receive as a package. This is your uGW800 miner. Miner is IP65 casing. Means totally protected against dust. Protected against low-pressured jets of water from all directions. Limited ingress permitted. This long antenna is LoRaWAN antenna. And it is used to both receive and send your signal. The small one is GPS antenna, that is used to receive and send your GPS signal. The SIM card pin can help you press the buttons easier. The last one is your 12V DC power adapter. That can help you power your miner. Overall, thanks for supporting uGWAN. And I will see you soon.